William. Bom dia.
Bom dia, meu mano.
Habla espanhol?
Falou bem pouco.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again.
Pedra da Maroca, here we go.
Alright, let's go. Start here and there.
We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. Said we'd get so high.
Let's listen.
The mosquitoes are biting me so much. Look at my leg. I'm like getting bit everywhere. It's dirty, sweaty. It's part of the experience, so.
It's Rio de Janeiro,
it's
dude.
off.
Woo!
Finally made it to the top here.
Go! Well done.
But this view right here is insane because there's no one here. You have it all to yourself.
Like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Oh, I know things will never be the same. Like strangers again. Like strangers again.
So we just finished the hike. We just got to the bottom. We're about to go eat because we haven't eaten in like 4 or 5 hours. So it's gonna be a treat. Filipe is gonna pay for my meal, so it's a good thing today. And then I'll give a review of his hiking experience afterwards. So stay tuned for that. All right, this is part of the experience. An all-included meal by this guy.
All of them comes the same thing. Rice, beans, french fries, flour, mashed potatoes, and a little portion of salad and farol. So that is like a farinha meal.
All right, let's see it. Fish.
Oi, quer passar agora aqui, ó.
Rice and beans.
Gritando pra ele, vamos ver se ele vai parar ali nas crianças, alguns jogadores foram ali,
This is a true test.
o Everton
Mashed
Ribeiro
potatoes.
estão ali naquele corredor, vai acenando pro
Oh yeah, that's good actually. Yeah, I think I'm coming here now. Yeah. Thank you. So before we even get started with today's video, I'm just gonna thank today's sponsor, my first sponsorship for my video. And it's a underwear brand called Segatos. And what's special about his underwear is that it is in various different sizes for various sizes of individuals in various colors. So check out Segato's underwear and also check out his pastry shop. Wesley, the guy who took me to the party the other day, and also my hiking guide to Pedra de Gavê and Tijuca Forest, he recommended a driver to me because I went to Dona da Mirante. It's basically a huge viewpoint that you can see the rest of Rio. And there were tons of people at 4 or 5 a.m. there just taking pictures, so it was kind of a sight to see. especially so early in the morning. And then afterwards, I went onto a hike with Filipe, who you all met a couple videos before. He actually took me on an Airbnb experience. We started at the bottom of a hill, and we started at the sign overlooking the various stops along the way. And he took me all the way up through this kind of like, I'd say like a little bit treacherous, but it was safe because there were ropes and whatnot and a lot of debris, so if you were to fall, it would catch you. But Felipe took me all the way to a couple of viewpoints on the hiking trail, and we went up all the way to the top, had a couple minutes to talk, and then went all the way back down. And then on the way down, we went through a favela. It's a little bit forbidden to take video in a favela without the permission of those inside, and I didn't have that permission, so I couldn't take video of that for you all. But Felipe's experience starts at that hike, you go down to get a beer, and then finally at the end, you have like a very authentic Brazilian meal as you saw at the end there. I thought Felipe's experience was very special and unique because he lives in Copacabana near this small neighborhood called Peixoto. And Peixoto is a special neighborhood because it has a rich history that I don't really want to divulge. He takes you to this hike that actually no one else knows. So it's a very secret hike, and people who are outside of the neighborhood, and there are very few who actually know of the hike. So when you're on the hike, it's really nice because a lot of the major hikes in Rio are full of tourists, and this hike in particular, I didn't even see anyone. So we went during the middle of the day and there was no one there. So it gives you a very special view of the city at the very top, and there's no one really who's also on that hike. So Filipe takes you on this special hike, and you kind of need him there as well because it's a little rugged and the path isn't too well maintained. So you need someone like him to show you around to get you to the top. Anyone who's deciding to do Filipe's hike or hiking experience, so I'm going to link his hike in the description below. And also he's an Airbnb host. I stayed with him. If anyone wants to stay with him as well, I'll link it in the description below as well. And sorry you all for posting this a little bit late. My upload schedule hasn't been consistent. I haven't been feeling too well. Thank you all for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you all in the next video. So, bye.
You in her DM, I'm in her mouth, we not the same. Flipping the funk, the heat, the